Every year in Virginia is an election year. There is some sort of election going on in every November in Virginia. So in order to vote absentee, you must fill out an application. That is a requirement. You can vote absentee by several ways. One is by mail, and the other is in person. If you would like to do it by mail, you can go to vote.virginia.gov and apply for an absentee application there on the site, or you can mail an application to us, and we will mail you a ballot. Absentee voting begins 45 days prior to the election. For in-person, you just come to the in-person site and you would fill out an application, and then you'd be able to vote in person that day. For absentee voting, it begins 45 days before the election for in-person voting and ends the Saturday before the election for in-person voting. All absentee ballots, whether mail or in person, are counted on election day. If you would like more information on absentee voting, go to fairfaxcounty.gov/elections, and we have a whole section on absentee voting. That's also a great place to find out the places to do in-person locations. Our first location, the Government Center, is always open 45 days prior. We have other satellite locations that will open later on in October, and you can find those locations and their hours at fairfaxcounty.gov/elections. Look under absentee.